Okay, hi class. Today we will continue with mean, median, mode, and range. The only difference from yesterday and today is that the problems that you will be working on today are word problems, but everything else is exactly the same. Okay, again, the only difference is that today's problems will be word problems. Very important. If you have any questions, you are welcome to come to my office hours between 1 and 2 p.m. every single day. Okay? Between 1 and 2 p.m., you go to Google Meets. It's Vasquez 200, lowercase. Vasquez 200 is the code. Vasquez 200. Thank you very much and good luck with your assignments. One more thing. Friday will be the test. Tomorrow, which will be Thursday, you will have a review. Okay, the review will be very similar to the test. Okay, and then Friday, do your test. You actually have until Sunday to submit the test. If you do not complete your test by Sunday, I will not accept it next week because the test is for Friday, but I'm allowing you to work on it Saturday and Sunday if you need the extra time. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.